Hi everyone! Today I've got an exciting niche for you. By watching this video, you can dive into an unbelievable and strange world on YouTube. Have you ever thought about starting your own TV channel? Ever wondered how much money a TV channel could make? Well, welcome to VidAI, and today I'm going to teach you everything you need to know to start your own TV channel on YouTube from scratch. By the end of this video, you'll be ready to launch your very own channel. So let's not waste any time and get started. To create a TV channel, the first thing you need is a logo. In this video, I'll only be using a few AI tools, and most of them are free, so no worries there. For your TV channel's logo, you can use Prom.ai. I've included the link in the description for you. This site is one of the most useful and free AI tools out there, and it's super easy to use. Go to the AI Tools section and select AI Logo Generator. There, you'll find various logo models to choose from. You can pick different styles for your logo. In this section, you can write your prompt, and if needed, you can also write a negative prompt. Here, you can set the artistic level of the logo and choose the size you need. It's best to set the size to 1:1. You can also decide how many variations you want, ranging from 1 to 3. Each logo costs you 0.3 tokens. Then you add your prompt. You can use this option to tweak or improve your prompt. And now, hit the Generate button. If you don't like the logos, you can create a new one by changing the prompt. You should use this logo in all the videos you create, as it represents your TV channel. Now, let's figure out what kind of content you want to broadcast on your TV channel. Mondays, kids programs. Tuesdays, competitions and entertainment. Wednesdays, movies or adult animation. Thursdays, documentaries or wildlife shows. Fridays, science and strange facts. Saturdays, weekly news. Sunday, a live stream of all the week's programs. You can create all these programs using AI, so you don't need any other tools. For the kids' programs on Mondays, you'll need to create animations. I've shared several ways to make animations on my channel. You can easily choose one of the methods and start creating. It's best to make educational animations and use a lot of colors, as they keep kids more engaged and make them want to watch. For Tuesdays, you'll need competitions or entertainment shows. One fun way to do this is by using riddles or puzzles. You can create the riddles using ChatGPT and then design them in Canva. Give your audience 5 to 10 seconds to answer and then reveal the solution. You can include 5 riddles in each video, making the total video length about 1.5 to 2 minutes. On Wednesdays, create movies or animations for adults. Each video can be between 1 to 2 minutes long. There's no need to make long videos. You can also make them into a series to keep viewers coming back. I've seen plenty of examples on YouTube where they teach how to make these kinds of videos. This channel has a great tutorial on it. You can easily make interesting movies by following it. Thursdays are for documentary programs. You're probably wondering how to make these with AI, right? It's super easy. Just go to Canva, select Magic Media, and create a video by writing a prompt. I made this entire video using AI. Look at this.
In the vast grasslands, a leopard silently stalks its prey, eyes locked on a grazing gazelle. The leopard crouches low, muscles tensed, ready to spring into action. With a burst of speed, the leopard charges, cutting through the tall grass with ease. The gazelle senses danger, its instincts kicking in as it darts away. Just as the leopard closes in, a vehicle emerges on the horizon, interrupting the chase. The leopard abruptly halts, watching as the animal control truck approaches. Realizing the pursuit is over, the leopard turns and retreats into the safety of the grasslands. The vehicle continues on, unaware of the intense drama it has just interrupted. As the dust settles, the gazelle regroups with the herd, spared from the predator's grasp. The leopard, hidden in the shadows, waits for another chance, ever patient and ever watchful.
If you'd like me to teach you how to make this kind of video, let me know in the comments. I read all your comments and try to teach what my audience wants to learn. And Fridays, share science and strange facts. I've already uploaded several videos on these topics to my channel. You can find them in the description under the title, Strange. And on Saturdays, you should share news on your TV channel. You can use avatars to create news videos and cover a few interesting and important stories from around the world or your country. If you'd like me to make a complete video tutorial on how to create news videos, let me know in the comments. Finally, on Sundays, you should post a live video summarizing all the week's videos on your TV channel. This helps you get more views and increases your watch time. Now that you've created your TV channel, all you need to do is manage it and upload your videos according to the schedule. The more consistent you are, the faster your channel will grow. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please like the video to motivate me to make more. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments and I'll definitely respond. Also, share this video with your friends so they can learn how to create their own TV channel. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy creating!